follow the lead car. Where I pass is where you go.
Bringing all the foreigners to come and invest here is not an easy exercise.
My name is Harriet Nama, the Secretary to General Sale, Kapeeka office, and in charge of taking his visitors to tour. Our industrial park has 28 factories, 19 are under operation, others are still under construction. So the Chinese is completely taking control in management and also employment. We don't influence employment, we don't influence management, because it is their technology. The government also releases the land to them. Every year they bring a percentage of some money, they pay it to government through genocide. So we are not bosses of the industrial park, but we are partners. The Chinese are completely influencing their management and employment. So, but because General is the initiator, the vision bearer of this, and the president, and the owner of the whole of this land, he finds it interesting that Uganda should know what is happening here. And most people who come to visit him in Ugulu, he wants them to come and tour. So that's how I come in to lead them for tours.
We prioritize agro-processing, value addition, because that is our main area of emphasis.
International. It's a maize silo. It's a factory that deals with maize, posho. We buy maize from farmers. The silo stores over 200 metric tons. Because we stock maize a lot, and the intention was to keep maize and sell it when they discussed it. So we also buy directly from farmers. We don't like middlemen. That was the intention for General. This is our new machine, but all the other machines are in this format. We have 7 of them, but they are small size. So this is the biggest that we have just installed, and it will do multi-purpose. It produces, it labels the sack. This is what I was telling you, what we call customization. Fruits, pineapple, and mangoes. We are exporting to China, Canada, USA. We are also selling locally. But the local market is low. Why? Because our African people, they prefer their natural mangoes, which are even cheaper. The mango is around 2,000, but the other sack is around 9,000.
This is my daughter.
So this section you find mainly construction, the nails and the other machines that we use in construction.
Our appreciation to the General, because without him arranging us to come through here, we would not have known what is happening in this place. We thank him extremely much for the direction he has given us, and we have learned a lot. And I think you revert back to him and say the entire team have indeed appreciated what he has done in the area. So thank him for us. Thank you very much. Yeah.
And I will take the initiative to report to General that you were here and fulfilled his interest, that you come and look at what is happening for a mindset change and other purposes. I hear you want to start a factory in Ugulu for agriculture. Maybe it's one of the reasons he wanted you to tour. Thank you very much and have a safe journey to your places.